Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to erase, how to use the tools, the eraser tool on Procreate. So first you tap on the eraser and then you can change the brush of the eraser, and then so you can just erase by swiping with your finger or with your pencil. And then you can also change the size of your eraser to so it can adjust according to your needs. And then the you can also change the pressure of your eraser. Also actually the fast way of erasing is, so for example you're drawing a circle, and then you can just tap with your finger and it will undo. So it's just like it will erases the thing you just draw last. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.